In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to control these, the HDTV 915s, 925s, and 935s using a Stream Deck and Bitfocus Companion. And what I'm going to do here is just show the IP addresses that I'm going to be working with, or the transmitters and receivers. So I'm going to be using these 4 encoders, and then the decoders 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now in Bitfocus Companion, I'm going to go to Connections, and I've already set one up here. So I just called it HDTV925. First one I did for all TVs, and this is a multicast. So it's going to use 239.1.0.1 with the target port of 8804, and it's going to connect over UDP. And then I did a top left TV, which has the IP address listed here. The target port is 6004 and also UDP. And then I also did that for my other 3 TVs, my top right, bottom left, and bottom right. So after that is done, I'm going to go to variables, custom variable. And what I'm going to add here is this selected underscore dev ID. I'm going to add that. And the second one is selected IP. Add that. And the default value here, we'll use the device ID, and that's typically a 2 or 3 numbers. And then the current value for the IP is the IP address of the encoder. So in my case, I'm using 10.20.50.101. And I'm going to select these. Now I'm going to go back to buttons, and I'm going to select, I'm just going to do source 1. Source 2. Source 3 and source 4. Then here I'm going to do TV1, TV2, TV3, and TV4. And go back to my source here. So now that I'm back in my source 1, for my press value, I'm going to select internal custom variable set value. I'm going to do 2 of those. And for the first custom, it's selected device dev ID. And this one here is the IP. And my source is 10.20.50.101. And the value is 101. And I'm going to do the same for 2, 3, and 4. And my last one here, source 4. Now I'm going to go over to my TVs, find my command here. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to do a send command. So let's see, send command. And TV1 is my top left. No end character, and I'm going to paste that in. Do the same as for 2, 3, and 4. We've got the send command, but now this is going to be my top right TV. Command none. This is my bottom left TV. None. And my fourth TV, same thing. Send command, except it's my bottom right TV. None. Now I'm also going to set up one more command. This is going to send source 1 to all TVs. So I'm going to select a button, create button. I'm just going to do one all. My action is, let's see, we've got to find it. This is all TVs. We're going to send command. And this is the command here. Paste that in here and command in character back to none. So now here's my stream deck. I'm going to take source 4 and go to 1, 3 to 2, 2 to 3, and 1 to 4. This is the one all button, so that's going to switch all to input 1. And again, let's go source 3 to 1 and 2, and source 4 to 3, and source 3 to 4. So you select your source buttons on the left and your outputs. If you have any questions, give us a call, 833-965-3722.